Today with cooking with Yna. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? What's in the bag, man? Everybody wants to know what's in the bag. Welcome to another exciting episode of My Filipino Adventure. And today, Yna is making something that's in a bag. Is it a human head, Dave? Is it a body part?
The stinky fish.
Oh, it's a stinky fish.
Well, actually, it's not stinky.
Let's see this fucker. Oops.
Look at this
Okay.
one. This is not stinky. Well,
Now he cleaned it out, so he took the guts out at the store. Ooh,
See,
it's got red eyes.
she already have a red eye.
What's that mean?
It's not fish anymore.
It's not fresh anymore?
Mm-hmm.
What eyes are their normal eyes?
No, it's not. For us, if they have a red eye, it's not fresh anymore.
Oh, so is it not good?
It doesn't mean that it's not good, but
It's not fresh out of the ocean like you're used to.
yeah, because we are in Philippines, we used to eat fresh, and they don't have a red eye.
Okay. That's why you said 459 pesos and have red eye.
Yeah.
I mean, it should be cheaper. Okay, how are you gonna cook it?
I just want to try that.
Just try it with no spices or nothing?
Okay. Yeah, I just want to
No,
make
that
it
knife
for-
sucks, babe. Go get the other knife.
Which one?
The one,
This one?
yeah. I need a good set of knives.
1, 2, 3, 3.
You don't cut it in half though, right? You just make a slice or you cut it in half.
Hmm?
Not all the way through though, right?
I don't know your knife.
Yeah, I need good knives.
Need to.
Ooh, that stinks.
Hmm?
Smells like a fish.
Of course.
Okay. It's fishy smelling.
Oh no.
Oh, you do cut it in half.
Huh?
Okay. Fishy, fishy. No, I'm not gonna let you cook this in the house. You have to go down the street a couple blocks to the neighbor's house.
Outside can. This is not stinky. This is only ordinary fried fish.
All right, let's get the pan. No, babe. No, what are you doing?
How?
Take the top off.
Okay.
Your hand's wet. Or can you see the hole? No, don't use a big knife like that. Let me see. Here. Talk to your fish.
My fish have a red eye, which is this is not really fresh fish. You hold.
Careful, don't squeeze it too hard because it's going to come out both sides.
Huh?
Don't squeeze it too hard, it'll come out both sides. All right, so she's going to cook this outside. So she's going to put some lemon on there.
Yeah. So.
No,
it
how about
won't be so
salt or anything,
stinky.
or no?
Yeah, salt later.
Okay.
So it won't be stinky. But this one I like. If this one is fresh, I'd like to eat this one.
Raw.
No. Steamed fish.
Oh, in the steamer here.
Yeah, but this is not fresh anymore, so I don't like.
It's not going to taste good.
Hmm?
It's still going to taste good.
Yeah, but I don't know if the meat will still be okay.
Oh, that's not a good sign.
But for your fried, that will be okay. Fried fish.
Yeah. My grandpa said, you fry anything long enough, it's edible.
Yeah, right?
Ooh, what's that? Gross.
Okay, you stop filming. Later you film it.
Because she wants to cook on fire. I've got an electric stove, and this is about my barbecue outside. I've got, oh, you can see the flame, but there we go. I've got a little burner out here. So, some sunflowers. Oh, look, you can see my reflection. Hi. So, I don't know how much oil I have to do it. So get that oil nice and hot. Just put lemon juice and salt. Is there anything else? Maybe? Some pepper.
Pepper, yeah, can say pepper.
You want the not the whole, the pepper in that shaker right there.
This one.
Right there, yeah, that's pepper and that's salt.
Excuse me.
Ah, there you go, there's that sound. That frying sound, that sounds fry-y.
This is not really Filipino.
What about the head? Cook it separate? Okay, cooking fish. What kind of fish is this again? Golden pompano or
Yeah.
golden what?
Golden pamphlet.
And what do you guys call this in the Philippines?
Baulo.
Huh?
Baulo.
Baolu?
Yeah, this one is fresh. Really nice to cook. Steamed fish.
2 dogs.
Oh,
Big dogs. Okay, so how long do you cook this for? You cook it for so many minutes per side? How long do you think?
I think it's 2 minutes.
Okay. Well, we'll come check back in. It's just frying away. I'll put some garlic in there. That's it. Oh, so she flipped it over. That side's done. That looks pretty good. Look at that. She's just staring at me. Just staring at me. Mind you do, because yeah, that garlic just kind of got burnt, huh? Sorry about that.
So heavy, this plate. Very heavy.
What is?
Your plate.
Yeah, no. Let's get a spoon. She told me to put the garlic in there, so
Right.
to my defense.
It's okay. Because the oil, it's already smell garlic, so it'll be fine.
What do you got to say about this? Mister?
Huh?
She's talking to fish. Yeah, it's gotta be about done, huh? That's done, huh?
Yeah, slowly, see? Slowly.
Oh, that's just been cooking for a while. Okay. You know, you're a Filipino. I don't know.
Right? You don't know?
You like it like that, crispy?
No, but it's burning.
Sticking.
Burning? No.
Oh, looks good. Oh, careful. Can it get you? And there you go.
Okay.
Dinner is served. I'm going to cook the head now.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and then she's got some rice and some cucumbers. Delicious. Okay, we're ready. How's it taste? Is it good? It tastes like home?
But yeah, feels like home.
But it's just a lot more expensive. Because this fish was like $10. Expensive.
Very expensive.
Expensive wife.
With the red eye fish.
And what are we watching? We're watching foreigner farming in the Philippines. Eating fish, and we got some cukes and some vinegar.
But this one vinegar is specially made from Philippines.
Yeah, we bought that yesterday.
This is yummy vinegar.
Yeah, it's okay. It's vinegar.
But we don't have chili. I like chili.
You like what?
Chili.
Yeah,
We
we
need
need
to-
to get them chilies.
We need to plant some chili in here.
We will. We'll go buy some seeds
Okay,
tomorrow.
what do you have in your food?
Oh, I just have leftovers. I just got some rice, that soup that you made for breakfast the other day, and then we had some leftover chicken from last night's barbecue, and some corn. I just made like a casserole. I'll nibble on her fish. I'm not a huge fish eater though. Yeah.
Yeah.
We have silverware.
Huh?
We've got silverware.
I'm sorry?
You're eating with your hands. Here, eat some with your hands. Show us how it's done.
Just like that.
You got some fish there.
Mm-hmm. And
You
then
dipped it in
rice.
some vinegar.
Mm-hmm. Just like that.
What's that called? Hubba hubba or?
Hub hub? Hub hub? No,
Hub hub.
hub hub is not using the hand.
Yeah, well that's off a banana leaf. Hub hub.
Yeah.
So she's eating hub hub tonight, which is with her hands.
Kamayan. We call that kamayan.
Kamayan.
Yeah, because this one is kamay.
Ah, see. But hub hub, I saw that you can eat like pancit on a banana leaf with no utensils.
Mm-hmm.
That means with the hand.
Yeah, it feels like home.
Okay, well, bon appetit. Thank you for cooking, showing us how you cook a fish, and enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
I forgot she's cooking fish heads.
Oh, look at the fire.
There's propane tank under here. We'll probably have to go get it filled up pretty soon. Okay, fish heads. Roly poly fish heads.